Ayan guys, hello everyone, it's me again, Alex Jana TV. Ayan, meron tayong kakainin ngayon, which is ginawa ng aming tagaluto for the first time. Ayan, giniling na beef na meron siyang tawag dyan, green peas, tsaka parata. O diba? Ang sarap niyan guys. Hindi ako kumakain dati nito, pero nung nalaman ko, oh wow, yummy. So, it's me, Alex Jana TV once again. Parat at saka mukbang with giniling na beef na mayroon siyang green peas. Yummy yan guys. Ano lang to guys ha. Update lang po ito. Just because I'm gonna miss you.